Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone is doing well. So today I'm going to attempt to do lock petals on my hair. So stay tuned. So you'll need a hair tie, well, two hair ties because it's two buns, rubber bands, put into a ponytail. Okay, now that my hair is separated into two, I'm going to take a couple of strands of my locks and use the rubber band. I'm going to fold it over just like that. And then I'm going to take a rubber band and secure this part right here. It's pretty simple. However, I feel like it got challenging once I got more of the petals going, because I feel like I was running out of room. So you just have to maneuver accordingly. So I will continue to do this throughout this one, throughout this particular ponytail, and then I will come back with the finished product. So continue to watch. I'm back with the finished product. So what do you all think? How did I do? How did I do? I think it's cute for the first time. But yes, please make sure you all like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for future videos. Thank you all so much for tuning into another video. Peace and blessings, and have a good one.